Okay, and it's one way after this gate. And we're into main bit of Tuna now. First few corners are perfect. Absolutely beautiful stuff. As a kid, this is what you dream of. Just rattling down a private road, essentially. You and your friends. Sharp one here. With debris. Oh, this is beautiful. Rocks. Even with the wind, this is just beautiful out here. It's dry most days. Watching out for gravel again. Oh my God, that ocean view does not get old. Really tight one here. A couple of skid marks, cars trying to hold on. I hope you guys are getting to see some of this view too. Now we got a fast bit right here. And it's going to be windy too, so loud. I was 55 right there. Oh, this is perfect! Wow, we're on the rough stuff on the base now. Nothing much more down here. Just through the valley, through the river area. That's how you do it. Back to the PCH. That was a fantastic run. Well done, SAFA. That was beautiful.
That last left-hand hairpin was so good. Wow.
That was perfect. Oh my, so much fun.